Let's learn how to share Instagram Reels on WhatsApp. So if you're using Instagram and you find a reel that's funny, interesting, or educational, and you want to share that reel with a friend or family member in WhatsApp, then I'll show you 2 different ways on how you can do that. But before we start with the video, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more similar videos like this one. Now, let's start with the first method. Let's say I want to share this specific reel on WhatsApp. Firstly, I'm going to tap on this little share icon at the right side of my screen, and this menu will pop up. Find the Share To button, and our sharing menu will show up on the screen. You will see a list of apps at the top of this menu, and you just have to find WhatsApp on here. When you find it, you want to click on WhatsApp, and then we can select the people to whom we want to send this Instagram reel. This will open your WhatsApp contacts, so when you select the people, you can easily send the reel and it will be shared with them. But if you have a problem with this first method and you can't find WhatsApp on the list, or you're having some other issues, then there is another way that we can share this reel in WhatsApp. All you have to do is to open the reel one more time, and we simply have to get the reel link. We can do that by tapping on the share icon one more time, and then click on this Copy Link button. It's copied for me, so I can exit my Instagram application and I'll open the WhatsApp conversation in which I want to share this Instagram reel. Just paste the link which we've copied, and that's it. The person can click on that link, and it will open the reel in the Instagram application for them. And that's essentially how you can share Instagram Reels in WhatsApp. If you want more similar Instagram or WhatsApp tutorial videos, make sure you subscribe to Tutor, and I will see you in the next video.